Randy, you gotta see.
I love the L29s. You can see the running gear right there. Going out with the U-joint. Fascinating. Look at that joint over there. Straight 8. So where the transmission is up front. Look at that shift linkage. Wow.
Okay, so this fits that. Exactly.
So did you take your driver's license test in the Accord?
I wish I did. I did not, though.
Ah, too bad. That would have been fun. Freak the guy out.
Yeah.
Would have been fun. License registration. How come a car's not inspected? Did you use your turn signal? I don't have any. Did you use it?
Well,
don't have.
my hand.
Yeah, there you go.
Signals.
Yeah, but like if you're from New York or New Jersey, if you stick your hand out, they think it means something else.
Uh-oh.
This
I'm not
is gorgeous.
from there. What does it mean?
Ah, I'll explain to you after I'm off video.
Oh, okay.
So, I love the shift.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, that is great. Now, first would be to the right.
First is up here.
Right. There you go.
First.
Yeah.
This is reverse.
Yeah.
This is, second's here.
Second and then third.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this car has freewheeling, if I remember straight.
It does. This car does not.
Okay.
The Lincolns in 31 had freewheeling.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. This is a Brougham. They built 617 Brahms. 13 exist.
Wow.
This one has its original interior still in it.
Oh my gosh. How did it survive?
The car was collected in the 40s.
Oh, okay.
And then it was kept up in Connecticut, Massachusetts area most of its life.
Very good.
But,
So it was always appreciated, which is great.
yeah, the body has never been off the frame. It's never been apart.
Wow.
The paint job on it's 40 years old.
That's excellent. That is excellent. Jeez.
It's a highly original car.
That's great. That's something else, especially with the Accord.
Even the carpets are original. All those, it's worn out over there by the gas pedal.
Well, yeah. After almost 100 years, I would say so. I'll let him get away with it. Yeah. I don't think you could bring it back to the dealer for
Warranty
replacement.
work?
Yeah.
I think that station closed.
Yeah. Yeah. Slightly. Now the L29 was 29 through 31.
Through 31.
Yeah. And then the
Well, actually, there were a few 32s.
yeah.
But I think they're really leftover 31s.
Probably that was common in the era. And then the 810, 812 came out in 35. Yeah. Again, short-lived. This is beautiful. Thanks for coming. This is great. Oh, gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful car.
I should have bought this one. Oh my God, you're missing out.
They were very low because of the front-wheel drive. They didn't have a drive shaft. This is really pretty cool. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2025 AACA Fall Meet. For more cool events like this, make sure you check your car show calendars, NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and promote your events. I'll see you at the shows.
It's dark green.